Hello everyone, welcome to RK Education. Today we are going to derive Newton's first equation of motion graphically. That is the relation between velocity and time. Velocity-time relation. We have already drawn our graph. In this graph, that an object was supposed to move with an initial velocity u and started from its journey from A, and after time t seconds, it attains a velocity v, and reached a position B. So now the acceleration from this graph will be the slope of A, that is A must be equal to BC by AC. So from graph now we have to conclude some information that OA is representing the initial velocity, OE is representing the final velocity of the object, that OD is representing the time taken by that object in traveling that distance, accelerating to new velocity, that is called V, final velocity. So from the graph we have collected some information or data that OD must be equal to AC, that is time stand, that is for T. OA must be equal to CD. We have written here that OA must be equal to CD, that is U for initial velocity, that was at the start, and OE that is equal to dB or BD, that is equal to B for final velocity. OE equal to B for final velocity, that was after starting sometime start of journey. So from the graph, as you already know friends, that the acceleration is always given by the slope of the acceleration time graph, velocity time graph. So A is equal to BC by AC. Here BC by AC, you can see here BC by AC in the graph. BC is BD minus CD. So for BC we can write here BD minus CD. You can also see here in the graph that when we subtract CD from BD we will get BC, that is BD is final velocity and CD is initial velocity. So difference of final and initial velocity is equal to BC. So we can write BC as BD minus CD. You can understand that if we have to write 2 as the difference of two numbers, then we can write here 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is also equal to 2. So it is another form of 2. So we can apply the same meaning here. To get BC we can subtract CD from BD. So we have written here A is equal to BC by AC, and in the next equation A is equal to BD minus CD by AC. BD minus CD by AC. Now conclude the information from the graph. Write the symbols for which they stands in the graph. BD is equal to O equal to B for final velocity. So BD is equal to B. So we have to write B in the place of BD. Next U, we have written U here because CD stands for U. CD equal to O equal to U. Also you can see in the graph CD equal to OA equal to U, initial velocity. And AC see here AC equal to OD. AC equal to OD, that is stands for time in the graph. So we have to write T over here. So A is equal to B minus U by T, that is the A is equal to B minus U over T. So after cross multiplication we can get A into T is equal to B minus U. So AT equal to B minus U, and at last we have transferred negative value from RHS to LHS. So AT plus U equal to V, and the result which we get now is the Newton's first equation of motion. B is equal to U plus AT. Thank you. If you like this video, then you can like, share and subscribe.